Hey, my name is Dylan Modis, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to airdrop a photo or video file from your MacBook to your iPhone device. It's really explanatory. I'm going to just go step in step, and then later I'm going to go in depth, different ways how you can do it, and different ways you can. So on my iPhone here, so I got it set it up. So you go to settings and then you go down below to general, and then you see here it says airdrop right here. You click on that, and there's only three options: receiving off, contacts only, everyone. I recommend to do everyone, and it works with everyone, contacts or non-contacts, and you're just using your Mac in this tutorial. And this is how you do it. So for example, I'm just going to go in my Finder right here. The Finder is pretty much media files. And let me click on this image of me. And here's an image of me. And so you click on an image or video, and it goes in this little preview. Only photos go in this preview layout, and videos go in like their own layout preview. And so you got step two. Click on a photo or file you want to airdrop. And third, you have to click this icon, like that little square and the arrow pointing up. That's a sharing icon. So you need to click on that. And you see it says airdrop right here. See? You got like mail, messages, notes, add to photos, reminders. But today we're going to do airdrop. Click on airdrop. Now the computer is going to try to find your phone. So now it connects my iPhone. Found my iPhone. You click on it. And now on my phone, you see I have the photo right here. See, I got the photo saved. And one other thing you can do on your phone, see the same icon on the bottom left right there, and then you can airdrop it to back to your MacBook Pro. So let me. Oh wait, I kind of had it. Oh, there it goes. It's waiting, and then there it is. Okay, and I accepted it, and then my iPhone says it's sent. And there it is, Untitled Design 5 2 PNG file. There it is in the same photo today. I'm not going to keep it. I'm just going to move to trash. Okay. Another way you can do is, let me close that, close that, close that, and let me go to Google Chrome, my files, and airdrop it to my phone. Search, maybe just MacBook. I'm not really creative right now. MacBook, and I want to search that. And you go to images, and there's all the images of it. So if I want to like save this one, so save, I want to save image as, and I got it in downloads. Let's say MacBook, say MacBook, and here when it saves on down below of search engine, you click on it and it opens it, same layout, and then you click on this and then airdrop it. After it finds your phone, there you are. Sending, sent. There you see it on my phone, and I just airdropped it from my Mac, and it's sent to my iPhone, and there it is. It's on my phone. Pretty clever. And let's do another example here. So you could do, yeah, like any like of the folders. If you have folders like one or two, three or five, I got like several more in my folders, like different information. If it's like a Excel, uh, that's pretty different. So for example, like you have like really depth presentations or something, and it's not really mobile optimized, and it doesn't go in a photo. Like I'm just working on photos, like you take like on your phone, or you want to airport it to your MacBook. But here's for example, if you have, think this is a Excel. Yeah, this is the Excel. So you just click on this, Oh, there it is. So you click on both of one or two fingers on the image you want to airdrop, and then you go to share, and there's your little icon, airdrop. And now my phone is connected, and you see, just click on that. And back on the phone, this is what I was talking about. These are like different platforms. I want to say you could save it on Drive, save it on Reach, Yahoo Mail, Files, Alibaba.com. For this example, I'm going to save it on Drive. Now it's going to my switch account. Use this one. Let me save it. So it better be saved now. Yeah, there it is. Now it's in my I think this is Google Docs. So yeah, for these files, these weird like sheets, Excel, Google Docs, all these preview sheets you probably have for work or school. They won't like save it on your phone as like a photo or nothing, a photo file, but you still can save it into Google Drive. I recommend to do Google Drive. I really love Google Drive. And Google Drive, their features are really incredible. And if you really can't save it on your iPhone as in your photos, but you can save it in Drive. Drive, like you edit something on, let's say, for example, you make a new presentation on Google Slides and you make an edit, you don't really have to click save. That's the thing. So this is just a photo of a sheet I do for work. So work I do, and it's save on Google Drive. And here's one of my last fifth way how you can airdrop photos or videos off your MacBook. So now I'm just going to go to my apps because I don't have it on my desktop for this. So you're going to find photos. You're going to find this app right here. Opens up. So you just click on any photo you want to airdrop. So click on the photo. You got two ways to do this. So you got double click and you got share. You could do that or double click and then it shows a preview, right? For for this example, I'm just going to do this and then airdrop it. And it found my iPhone. And there it is. It's sent on my iPhone. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the description box section. And I hope you like it and hope you find this valuable and you put this in work. And this is really easy to learn. And see you guys in another video.